Hey fellow scrappers, so as promised in my last video, I'm gonna take apart this cell phone. I'm gonna time how much time it takes me to take it apart, and then I'm also gonna compare what you get for just the cell phone compared to what you get for the board inside, and see if it's worth stripping one of these. So I'm gonna start my stopwatch, see how it goes, see how long it takes to take one of these things apart. These things are pretty easy. A few screws and you're pretty much in there. Obviously these older phones have a lot more gold in them, so for some people I'm guessing it might be worth it if you're doing your own gold refining and whatnot. So let's crack this bad boy open. There you go. So it took me approximately a minute to take apart this board, or this cell phone I should say, to get to the board. You can see on these cell phones you have quite a bit of gold. There's probably some gold under here too if I crack it open. Let me do that for you guys, just to show you. There you go. So I took out the LCD. So actually, there was nothing really behind the LCD, but there's definitely gold over here, and probably if I pop open the LCD, might be a board of some sort. It might be some. No, has nothing on this one, so that's pretty much it for behind the LCD. You can see there wasn't much there. So what else here? We have some more gold connectors here, over here. So if you go to boardsort.com, they pay you $5.25 for a whole cell phone per pound. This cell phone was about 4 ounces, so without doing any work, just chucking the phone in a box and sending it to them, you'll get about $1.30. Per ounce comes out to about 30 cents an ounce. Now if you take the board apart, the way they want you to do it is take out all this metal stuff, these little wires and everything. They really want clean boards, at least that's what they say. So you have to take all of that out. The process probably takes at least a minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes, and they pay about $10.50 per pound. One of these boards, there's not much weight to them, maybe 4-6 ounces.